Everybody, today I want us to look at shadows. Students are very good at doing the outline, they get quite good at doing shading, but they often fail to show highlights and they fail to show shadows. So today I want us to look at shadows. We've got a strong direction of light so that we can see the shadows are consistent with that one direction of light. And shadows are not small. They can even be as large or even larger than the object creating the shadow. Now, I want us to move closer to the house because I want to show you that shadows are darker, have a stronger, darker colour where they start. So let's move close to the pillow belonging to the building. Shadows are darker in colour, darker in tone where they start. Then as they move out, light bounces in from other sources and they get lighter. You should be able to see that with the pillar, and you should be able to see that with the car. Light coming from this side. Here's where the shadow starts. There is the darkest tone, the darkest colour. As it moves out, it gets lighter. You should be able to see that. Now, we are doing a design question. You have shapes or objects which are in front of other shapes and objects. Those shapes in the front must create a shadow on the shape or object behind it. So I want you to be aware that these shadows have a path. They move along. If they come into another object, they create a shadow on that other object. But the shadow is one shadow. It's just that it climbs up the surface of the object behind it. Let's look at the bricks again. You can see that the shadow is climbing up the brick. From where the shadow started, it climbs up, it moves towards the direction of the sun, goes along and comes back down again. Climbs up towards the direction of the sun, climbs over the object and continues its route from the main object, the car, creating the main shadow. Now, that might be difficult to understand, but you have got to try and demonstrate shadows in your designs. Shadows are there in everyday life. Let's demonstrate an understanding of them.